Amazing Bella, and today I'm here with the bear. Say hi, bear.
Hi.
And I'm also here with my babysitter, Joanna. You may know her from the Sauce Challenge. Check out my channel to see that. And we are making Yummy Nummies Mini Kitchen Magic. And they are cupcakes.
Oh, this is a frosting.
Cupcake cutie maker.
This is where you pour the frosting and you cut the frosting.
Oh, the iPad. Okay. Oh, the iPad. Okay. Oh, the iPad. Okay. Okay, there. Got that. So this is frosting. This is frosting. I think we're. How many cupcakes are we making? Something fell on the floor, Ava. Can you get it?
Oh, I think these are the sprinkles.
Super tiny.
Yeah, these are the sprinkles.
Yeah, it says, it's sprinkles. Listen to
Are you
the
going to show them what you're making?
And we have a little
did.
spoon. I will show them the spoon.
Oh, the pink one's mine.
No, that's the
You
mixer.
use the pink-
This is the mixer. And
You use that one, I use this
That's
one.
to measure it. Okay, so how are you guys going to split the jobs? Who wants to mix the cake batter?
I will. I'll mix the cake batter.
And then you can mix the frosting.
Hey, get in the video.
No, I want to pour the frosting.
Scoot over in the video. You're not in the
Okay.
video at all.
Okay.
Just don't get too close.
And you guys, by the way, these are gonna be our cupcakes. These are gonna
The cupcakes are so small.
Yeah, these are the things.
I'm gonna color it. No, just kidding.
These are the.
I'm gonna color it. I'm gonna color it. No, actually,
These
I'm gonna color it.
are
No.
These are the things that we're gonna put
Oh,
in the cupcakes. Like these are the cupcakes. Okay. Here, Joanna. Now,
Okay, put
Wish
them
we
in
had
the cups.
Okay, this.
Yes.
here you go.
No, not those.
No.
The little cup
Yeah.
cupcake.
And
I get two,
you guys,
and Ava
this is
gets
a
two.
quick picture of what you can make. So let's see. This is some.
Ava, I'm doing something.
This is some things that you can make, and on the other side, here's more.
Ava, I'm
So
trying to do something.
So that's pretty cool, right?
This is the first thing we did. This is gonna be a really long video. Actually, let's do part twos. Yeah, let's do part twos, right, Ava?
No, part 3s and part 2s if we did that.
Yeah.
La 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 la.
Stop acting weird.
Okay. Might
Just
open the
super
sprinkles. Open the
tiny.
sprinkles.
Uh-oh, we gotta hurry because we're having low battery on the iPad. Super tiny.
Okay, so you should start by opening the batter. Let me.
What batter? Which one's the batter? Is it batter?
I don't know. Let me
This
see.
is frosting
Batter.
and this is
Batter.
chocolate batter. Okay, let's do it.
Batter,
Open it
batter.
on the
Batter. Batter, batter. It's supposed to look like, this.
I showed it already, Ava.
No. And these are the instructions.
There you go.
Instructions. Where do I pour it?
You're pouring it in number 1, the big one.
Can I open the sprinkles?
Ooh, look at this chocolate.
I know it's supposed to be.
Chocolate.
I want to taste it.
No.
It's not
tastes
coming out.
good.
Let me make the whole
It
bigger.
tastes good. Oh, it tastes good. Mmm.
No more because this is rotten. You can get really sick.
You are spilling it, girl. You are spilling it.
Oh, you are spilling it.
No. Here's the
Look at-
sprinkles. Here's the sprinkles.
Look at how
Sprinkles.
chocolatey that looks.
Yeah. Ah. Ah.
Here you go.
Ah.
Oh, that's much better.
Much.
Now do I mix it with this thing?
Yeah, move it. Like, mix it.
Do I
Like,
mix it? Do I mix it with this?
Give
And
me the instructions.
Okay,
do I mix it with this? Do I mix it with this?
Mm.
Look at that.
That's yum.
So
You
we
guys
put
taste it. Yum, yum, yum.
Ava.
What, they couldn't
Okay,
even
you're
see
going to
my
get
finger.
4 scoops of water and put it in this.
Okay,
I want to do the water.
Use my water over there by the table. You can see it. It's right over there. That Ava just picked it up.
Water.
So how many scoops?
Is it supposed to
4.
be hot or
No.
cold? want to do it. Ella.
You do 2 scoops, I do 2 scoops. So 1,
2. Okay, that's here.
2. Okay, now you take 2 scoops.
Mm. So much
Getting
fun.
wet.
No, I need a lot more. I get
1. No, you get. No, you're supposed to get 2.
No, 4.
Okay.
Because it's supposed to be 4 scoops. Mix that up. Mix that up. Ooh.
No, Ava.
It fell.
It's really bad for you.
You are gonna need more water.
We need more water, Ava. We need more scoops.
Mm.
Let me see.
This is not working out well.
No.
Now mix.
Yes, now mix.
No.
Can you get us some napkins?
It's supposed to look disgusting like the Gummy Nummy donuts.
Oh yeah, I remember when we made those. We didn't put it on YouTube though.
Yeah, we didn't put it on YouTube because it was too long to chocolate. Here's the sprinkles. I love sprinkles.
Want a
They're
little
supposed to be
water?
rainbow sprinkles. They're supposed to be rainbow.
Take your napkin. I've got my napkin.
They're supposed to be rainbow sprinkles.
I know.
These sprinkles are rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow.
It's poop. I pooped on the napkin.
No, it's not. Yeah. It does look like poop. On the Gummy Nummy donuts, there wasn't any sprinkles when there was supposed to be sprinkles, right, Ella?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, there wasn't any sprinkles. It was so bad. We had to eat the Gummy Nummy donuts like all by itself without the
I
Gummy
think we
Nummy.
put too much water.
No.
That's
Just
fine.
because there's in the bottom.
It looks
it's all
like poop. You guys should see it. Like, let them see it. Looks like poop.
Wait, can I show
Yeah.
the audience? That's how it's looking.
It looks like poop.
Looks really bad. Just look at it.
That's what that is supposed to be.
Poop. Yeah.
See, you see those in the bottom? There's really dry spots. That's what
Yeah.
you're trying to wet.
Okay, let me do that.
Make sure that everything's mixed.
You read the
I have a sprinkle mouth. Sprinkle mouth. By the way, I'm in my nightgown pajamas. Oh,
Okay,
Frankie's
you
under
guys
me.
already have these
Frankie
ready.
is under
You're
my
gonna
foot.
Mix it really, really
Frankie
good.
is
And
literally
once
under
it's
my
mixed
foot.
really good,
Frankie dog,
you're gonna fill
get
this
off
up
my foot.
halfway.
Like, get off my foot.
Halfway, so make sure you don't.
Frankie's
cut
our dog. Frankie's our dog.
This is cake batter. Okay. Do we need a bake
Frankie's
it?
our dog. Ooh.
No.
It looks
You're
like
gonna put it
real
in the microwave
chocolate.
for
Like
15 seconds.
that's so good. I want to put it in. You meanie. I have a sprinkle mouth. Frankie's our dog, and Frankie is right under my leg. I mean,
Oh,
literally.
you're not supposed to fill it up all the way.
But it's supposed to be a.
Is that right?
Yeah, halfway.
Hey, can I have some? Let me
Okay, you fill up.
taste test. Taste test. It's tasty good. Oh, you taste. It's so good.
Okay.
Okay, Ava's turn. I did it. Looks like poop. Okay, you take
No, it doesn't.
this and scoop half of it, Ava.
Halfway in each cup.
Okay.
Yeah, it tastes good. It's good.
Yeah. Joanna, you do taste test.
So after that, what do we do?
After that, you put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. And then you let it cool down.
I pooped on my finger.
No, it's not poop.
I ate poop.
Okay.
Okay, is this halfway?
Yeah.
No.
Put it back in there.
I'm eating poop.
Next one.
No.
Okay, there's gonna be a part 2. That's the end of part 1.